Hi guys, I know this looks beautiful. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Njeru Kabiru. As usual, I love saying Njeru Kafiro. Kafiro is my father. So welcome to today's tutorial. I got an order from a client that I'm supposed to make a few pieces to. I've already made a table and I am making some decorated bottles for her. So I'm going to show you using one bottle, but at the end you will see all the bottles once they are done. And then amazing story that I have, next week I have a wedding to decorate centerpieces. Just decorated bottle, but I want to show you from the process of looking for the material to the process of production to the process of setup. Can't wait to show you that video. But meanwhile, this is supposed to be in here. And one thing I love about the plastic flowers is that you spread them out. But now imagine when the bottle is decorated. So see, we start this process. So the first thing you need is silicone glue. Whenever you go to buy silicone, just make sure you buy clear silicone. There are different colors. For decorating bottle, I usually use clear silicone. It's because it's meant for glass, anything that is being attached to glass. Then secondly, you need yarns. The color, it depends with you and your clients. Whatever color they want, that's what you get. So I've done a video on where to get or where I buy yarns. I'm gonna link it on the description box. You can go and watch and learn where I get the yarns. So you have to keep on adding the glue because silicone dries within minutes. Yeah, and then you need to spread it out. Make sure you do not leave a lump somewhere because it's going to show on your yarn, so that you can have smooth and seamless. And whenever you apply the silicone somewhere, just wipe it out before it dries. Though even if it dries, you can still wipe it out, but it's going to be a bit hard. So I just like doing it when it's still wet. For the bottles, I have people reaching out to me if I can buy bottles and all that, and where I get the bottles. I get them from clubs and hotels. I just walk in there and request if I can get bottles. Most of them send you to their bin. They're like, go pick up at the bin. I don't mind, so that's where I get my bottles. And for this project, I'm doing black and white. Black and white. I know it looks so easy. I have fast forwarded this video, but it took me about 40 minutes to finish this piece. If it's your first time, it's going to be a bit hard. And also it's easier because it's white. White, even if the silicone comes out, then it's not that thin. But if it's other colors, I'm also I'm even more careful because then the silicone glue will be showing on those yarns, so I'm very careful. For the white, it's easy. The silicone will just disappear because it's white once it dries. I know I've had questions like, where do you use these decorated bottles at? Weddings, and like I said, next week I have a wedding, so I'm going to show you. You can also use it in home decor, hotels, centerpiece tables, wall hanging. There are so many different ways to use these decorated bottles, or for you to use them as decoration. So I just wondered, do you have a question? If you have a question, please leave it on the comment section and I will make sure to get it back to you and give you an answer. And like I said, this video is fast forwarded, so it is not as easy as it looks. And if it's your first time, you just have to keep on doing it again and again until you get there. So at the end, when you're finishing, just make sure your glue is well attached, or it's thick still. If not, you can apply some glue at the end there because as the yarn is reaching at the end, you see I'm applying glue again. You need to make sure that it's going to stay, especially that last part. Then you cut off. When I cut off, I apply glue, and I make sure I'm just wiping up the excess glue that was on the bottle. As you're wiping, just be careful. And then that's the flower. There is the flower. It's a plastic flower, so you can spread it out. Let me know what you think, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for staying here. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you, and have a blessed time.